Hello and welcome to this GS Foundation and GS Foundation+1 program, an initiative by ALS. This is for those undergraduates who are thinking about preparing for civil service exam in future. GS Foundation will be a weekend program conducted only on Saturdays and Sundays after your college hours to ensure that you get a solid foundation for the preparation. And plus one will be that 1 year extra which you will have to study the entire course, the GS extensive, the full course of our ALS. Civil Services exam is the most prestigious exam in this country, which is conducted by Union Public Service Commission, which will ultimately select the candidates for IAS, IPS, etc. This is the most sought after exam, the most challenging exam in this country, and an early start in its preparation can make a lot of difference. And this is what we are aiming through this GS Foundation course. Civil Service exam is a general knowledge exam. That is the beauty of it. Anybody can prepare and anyone can develop this general knowledge. No extra knowledge or no extra deeper understanding is required in this exam. You don't require a subject expert. A general knowledge, what we studied in school right from 6th standard, that is what is expected of you in civil service exam. In fact, that is expected from in every competitive exam in this country. Civil services exam is a general knowledge exam. This does not require any deeper understanding, or we don't require a domain expert in this. General knowledge is something what we studied in school right from the 6th standard. What we studied in history, what we studied in geography, in constitution, in economics, in general science, everything comes under general knowledge, which anybody can develop at any stage and at any level. A good and deeper general knowledge. Number two, current affairs, your ability to understand and analyze what is happening around us. Number three, your ability to express that knowledge in answer writing. Number four, maths, mental ability, reasoning, question, how to solve and how fast you can solve. And last but not the least, your good character, your personality, what kind of person you are and how you present yourself in front of an interview board. This equally matters. So all these 5 ingredients will be taken care through this foundation course. Our aim is to create a solid foundation in you so that when you come out of your college, you are ready to write civil services exam.
Dreams are not those which you see while in sleep, but dreams are those which does not let you sleep. This was the definition of dreams given by former President, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Friends, if you have the dream to get into civil services immediately after graduation or with the completion of graduation, then the preparation for IAS exam or for that matter any other competitive exam must start in the very first year or maybe in the second year of your graduation, engineering, MBBS degree or any other such course. You all are aware and most of you might have started experiencing on your own that the academic curriculum in your college or university or the institution where you are enrolled is of such nature that very easily you can find 2 hours on daily basis and 4 hours on weekends to be utilized for IAS exam preparation or the preparation for any other competitive exam. In this foundation stage of 2 years, a special emphasis will be on participants reading NCERT books of 6th standard to 12th standard in a systematic, scientific and rhythmic manner so that rock solid foundation can be created for general studies as well as general knowledge. In this process, we will ensure that every week we are conducting tests based on NCERT books followed by discussion of answers for the questions which will be in the test paper. We have designed this GS Foundation+1, a 3-year integrated IAS program in such a way that it will not only ensure that IAS preparation starts on serious note in the very first year of your graduation, but also the program will help you improve your performance in graduation and score high. In this program, we are going to give you an option after completion of 2 years of foundation, either to continue the preparation and get enrolled in the third year, or you can take a break of 1 year to get back to the third year for your enrollment in our GS extensive program, in which exhaustive coverage will be of general studies pre-cum main syllabus strictly as prescribed by UPSC, so that after the completion of the course you can go for UPSC exam and can give the best shot of yours. In the first 2 years of the program, the main focus will be on creation of a rock solid foundation for core modules of general studies, which include history, geography, economy, environment, Indian polity and constitution, governance, along with general mental ability, logical and analytical reasoning, data interpretation, and reading comprehension. In the first 2 years, our special focus will be on answer writing skill development and personality development, with which the candidates can face any interview in future with confidence. The most striking feature in the 2 years will be weekly current affairs class, which we will conduct to keep you all fully updated and informed about all current and contemporary development, and to ensure that your newspaper reading is engaging, interesting, and meaningful. Friends, in this 3-year integrated program for IAS in the name of GS Foundation+1, the sessions which we will conduct throughout the 3 years will be not only thought-provoking in nature, but also very interactive and engaging. You all will be entitled for general studies kit, in which we will give you printed study material, an atlas, a pen drive with basic content, along with ALS notebook, so that notes making can start for you in a scientific way, so that in future you can update and can revise easily and confidently. Friends, it's high time to flag off your IAS journey by choosing one of the finely crafted program by ALS in the name of GS Foundation+1. And the message from me and entire team ALS is to follow your dreams, they know the way.